Nature walking with Tom Evans. The front door. I've just left, and so far, there is no weird creatures. Oh look, here's some wildlife here. Oh wait, no, it's just grass. Silly me. Nature's wonderful path. So far, absolutely nothing. I don't think animals exist. It was just a myth. But maybe I could be wrong, and I could see something. Oh my, look. There, you might not be able to say it, was a bug. There's a species of bird known as the pigeon. Nobody likes these little bastards. No creatures apart from that pigeon that we saw earlier. I generally think our journey along the riverbank may... What's that? Oh my, we've found another bird. I don't know what it is though. It's a bird at least. We have finally found our first duck. It's a swan, and he's decided he's going to eat himself because he's that hungry. There is cannibal swans in the wild. I'll be damned. We found another bird. It's a blackbird. Oh wait, there's another over there. Lots of birds everywhere. What was that? Bees! Back to Nature Walk after our little scare. Oh look, there's a bird yet again. Oh, and he's flying back. Oh, and he's flying over there. I don't think he knows what he's doing. This journey is very interesting. We've still not come across any wild animals, such as the tiger, or the lion, or maybe even a cheeky cheetah. This is not what I signed up for. This is the great Cullum Lock, who's been inactive ever since 1992. That's probably a lie, but to be honest, I don't really care. Oh my, there's still no nature. Where are all these animals? Are they having a party? Now I can hear the birds everywhere, but I goddamn cannot see them. All I can see is me, the rare species known as Tom Evans. He went on an adventure to find some nature, and so far he's found nothing. Look, we've found a bug. This rare species of ladybug. Oh no, and a spider came past. This is as far as my Nature Walk documentary is going. My wonderful nature documentary is not going so well, so I thought I'd have a nice can. That's refreshing. Still, no point waiting around. Might as well just get up. Oh, for fuck's sake. Oh no, this boat seems to have crashed. I can't even say crashed properly. I mean, it's sunk. Oh dear. I'm continuing my journey. I'm determined to find at least a family of ducks. Maybe they can entertain me. This is what we've been looking for on Nature Walk. So finally, on our nature walk, we finally find the goddamn ducks, aka swans mainly. And now, have some bread Oh, that's a big bit. Look at them go. My final part of nature walk is feed the goddamn ducks. Hey duck catch. Ah, shit. Nature walk. In summary, I think I'll just go to the fucking zoo. Fuck this shit. Nature, nature, nature walking with Tom Evans. It's probably time to go. Ow, I've just stung myself on a stinging nettle. God damn. Ah, shit. I might as well just chill the drink. Oh well. Ah, shit. Maybe just a nice drink. We're cheering up the mood. Ah, shit.